Ever wondered how many people actually use Expensify? You know, that app that's supposed to magically tame your expense reports? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the user base of this popular expense management solution. Expensify has become a household name, or at least, a household name in the business world, for streamlining expense reporting. But how widespread is its adoption? Does it truly live up to the hype? And are we talking millions of users or just a niche crowd? Unfortunately, pinpointing the exact number of Expensify users is tricky. Expensify itself is notoriously tight-lipped about its user base. They don't release official figures to the public. This secrecy is understandable. User numbers are a valuable business metric, and competitors would love to know the scale of their operations. However, we can piece together some clues. Market share. Expensify is a major player in the expense management software market. Industry reports and analyst estimates often rank them among the top contenders. These reports often include market size and market share data, though specific user numbers for individual companies are rarely disclosed. Customer testimonials. While not a direct count, countless businesses of all sizes, from startups to Fortune 500 companies, publicly endorse Expensify. These testimonials provide anecdotal evidence of its widespread usage. App Store ratings. The number of app downloads and user ratings on platforms like the App Store and Google Play Store can offer a glimpse into the app's popularity and user base. By analyzing these factors, we can infer that Expensify boasts a substantial user base. It's likely in the millions, encompassing individuals, freelancers, small businesses, and large enterprises across various industries. Expensify's success can be attributed to several key factors. Ease of use. Expensify is renowned for its user-friendly interface and intuitive features, making it easy for both employees and finance teams to navigate. Automation. The app automates many aspects of expense reporting, such as receipt capture, data entry, and approvals, significantly reducing manual effort. Mobile-first approach. Expensify's mobile app is a powerful tool, allowing users to submit expenses on the go, a crucial feature in today's mobile-centric world. Integrations. Seamless integration with other business tools like accounting software and travel booking platforms enhances efficiency and streamlines workflows. This combination of factors has fueled Expensify's growth and solidified its position as a leading expense management solution. Of course, no software is without its drawbacks. Some users have expressed concerns about pricing. Expensify offers a tiered pricing model, and some users may find the higher tier plans expensive, especially for smaller businesses. Customer support. While generally good, some users have reported occasional challenges in reaching customer support. Data security. As with any software that handles sensitive financial data, data security is paramount. Expensify has robust security measures in place, but data breaches are always a potential concern. Despite these minor drawbacks, Expensify remains a popular and powerful tool for businesses of all sizes. While the exact number of Expensify users remains undisclosed, there is no doubt that it has a substantial and growing user base. Its ease of use, automation capabilities, and mobile-first approach have made it a go-to solution for businesses seeking to streamline their expense reporting processes. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.